everyone, and welcome back to Home Decor 101. If you love classic charm, timeless elegance, and cozy spaces that feel warm and refined, then today's video is for you. We're diving into traditional bedrooms, what makes them so iconic, how to spot the style, and how you can bring that luxurious old world feel into your own home. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's get into it. So let's start with, a really pertinent question. What is a traditional bedroom? Well, traditional bedroom decor is all about grace, balance, and history. This style draws inspiration from 18th and 19th century European design. Think English countryside manors or Parisian townhomes. It's not trendy, it's not minimalist, it's timeless, with a focus on comfort and refinement. In a traditional bedroom, you'll see lots of symmetry, ornate furniture, rich fabrics like velvet, and a calm, harmonious color palette. This style is all about creating a space that feels restful, elegant, and deeply familiar. So now let's talk color. Traditional bedrooms usually feature muted tones, colors that are warm, rich, and calming. Some of the most popular include soft creams, taupes and beiges for the walls, deep navy, forest green, or burgundy for accents, antique white or rich espresso finishes on furniture, gold, bronze, or oil-rubbed bronze metallics for hardware and for lighting. You might also see floral wallpapers or prints for a touch of romantic charm. So there are a lot of furniture choices. Furniture is the heart of a traditional bedroom. We're talking about the substantial pieces, solid wood hardboards, carved details, and curved silhouettes. Here are a few must-haves. A classic 4-poster bed or sleigh bed. Matching nightstands and dressers with antique style drawer pulls. Almost couldn't get that out. And a postered bench or chaise lounge at the foot of the bed. And an ornate armoire or chest if space allows. The furniture should feel sturdy, timeless, and elegant. Nothing too plain, nothing too modern, nothing too minimal, and nothing too trendy. So now let's take a look at some of the fabrics and textiles that you see using this style. Textiles are where a traditional bedroom really shines. Think luxurious, layered, and cozy. A bed layered with quilts, duvet covers, and decorative pillows. And speaking of, that's a great tip. No need to always go out and buy full comforters when you can just buy a duvet cover. One, you'll be able to change up your space quite frequently without having the hassle of storing items, and it's a lot cheaper. You'll also see heavy drapes or floor-to-ceiling curtains in rich fabrics like silk or velvet. You'll see rugs with classic patterns like Persian or Oriental designs. And you'll see upholstered headboards or chairs in elegant brocades. These elements create that warm, welcoming atmosphere that really defines the traditional look. Now, lighting in a traditional bedroom tends to be soft and ambient, so think chandeliers or antique-style pendant lights for elegance. Table lamps with pleated or fabric shades on both nightstands, maybe even wall sconces for an extra layer of charm. And don't forget the accessories. Add framed art in gilded or wood frames, a classic clock, porcelain vases, or family heirlooms on display, or mirrors with ornate frames to add light and depth. Everything should feel purposeful and balanced, nothing too sparse, but nothing too cluttered. So now that you have an idea of what the look is, Let's talk how to create this look at home. You don't need to live in a historic home to enjoy a traditional bedroom. Here are a few tips to bring this style into your space. Number 1, start with your bed. Invest in a classic wood or upholstered headboard. And listen, I am a big component of just do what you can, Right now, if you aren't able to do that, just get something cheap on Amazon and just work your way up to there. Also, Goodwill, thrift stores, places like that are an amazing way to find solid wood furniture for way cheaper than you would go online. The second tip would be to go symmetrical. So try matching lamps and nightstands on either side of the bed. Also, choose classic bedding. Think layers, patterns, and lots of pillows and throw pillows. Now you also may want to add one statement piece. An armoire, a chandelier, or tufted bench can really elevate the space. Also, you want to mix in vintage. Antique stores, thrift shops, or Facebook Marketplace are gold mines. For traditional decor, also estate sells. And remember, this style is all about comfort and warmth. It should feel like a space you can settle into and never want to leave. So there you have it, your full guide to creating a stunning, cozy, timeless, traditional bedroom. Whether you're starting from scratch or just adding a few touches here and there to see if you like the style or not, this style brings elegance and comfort to any home. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a new episode from Home Decor 101. And if you're shopping for traditional bedroom decor, check out the Amazon links in the description for some of my favorite finds. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. And remember, whether you decide to have a traditional bedroom, a minimal bedroom, or just somewhere in between because you just needed a bedroom, all that really matters is that your family inside your home is happy and that your home is filled with the spirit of gratitude. Stay inspired and happy decorating.